I am Angie Varner with the STAR team of Blue Water Real Estate. Many of you ask about vacation rentals. You say, hey, this will be great. We can use our vacation home several times a year and rent it for the rest of the year. The rental income will pay for our vacation use and the cost of our vacation home. Well, sometimes it works out that way and sometimes it doesn't. Let me fill you in. The first question to ask yourself is, what are my goals? It is very important to be clear about what you want to accomplish because, after all, this is a major investment. For example, you may want to use this property for about 1 month a year plus several weekends and have some help in covering annual costs. Or perhaps you want a full-out rental property to maximize income. You will want to add up your costs, your fixed costs, and your variable costs. Will you hire a rental agent or do it yourself? That depends on you. But many vacation homeowners are not on call 24/7 and require the assistance of a professional rental property manager to maximize income and manage cost. When all is said and done, owning your own vacation home and renting it out can be a rewarding experience or a disappointment, depending upon your expectation. Our office manages the largest inventory of rentals here on the Crystal Coast, and we can assist you to locate the property and help prepare a budget forecast of the property rental income and all the costs, plus the potential property appreciation. That forecast will give you a complete picture of the potential for your investment. So give me a call and let's get to work. Again, I'm Angie Varner at 252-241-9210.